What if modern science is actually pointing us back to God instead of away from Him? That's the central idea of Return of God hypothesis by Stephen Meyer, a book arguing that the discoveries of modern science fit far better with the existence of God than with atheistic materialism. Meyer builds his case around three major arguments. First, the cosmological argument. Everything that begins to exist has a cause. For years, scientists like Albert Einstein believed that the universe was eternal and static. But then Edwin Hubble discovered through cosmological redshift that galaxies are moving away from each other, proving the universe is actually expanding. And if the universe is expanding, then tracing it backward leads to a beginning, what became known as the Big Bang. Stephen Meyer argues that if space, time, matter, and energy had a beginning, then the cause must exist beyond the universe itself. Second, the anthropic principle, the fine-tuning of the universe. The laws and constants of physics are balanced with astonishing precision. If gravity were slightly stronger or weaker, stars and galaxies could never form properly. If the strong nuclear force changed even a little, life essential chemistry would collapse. And it's not just the universe, even a single living cell contains unbelievable complexity. And this leads to the third argument. In 1953, Watson and Crick discovered the structure of the DNA, and later they realized that DNA contains digitally encoded information, instructions for life itself. Meyer argues that information always comes from a mind. DNA functions almost like a software inside of a cell. Even Bill Gates once said, DNA is like a computer program but far more advanced than any software ever created. And this book directly challenged the worldview described by Richard Dawkins when he wrote, "The universe that we observe has precisely the properties we should expect if there is, at the bottom, no design, no purpose, nothing but blind, pitiless indifference." Myers argues the opposite, that the deeper science goes, the more reality looks intentional rather than accidental. Because in the end, all the evidence, the extreme conditions, and the staggering probabilities beyond life leave us with two possibilities. Either there is an intelligent mind beyond reality, or everything came from a completely unguided random process against unimaginable odds. And my conclusions is this. For naturalism to explain all of this by chance alone, it would almost require a miracle of its own. And don't forget, books are not read in a day, they are read page by page.